Hello, I'm Lorraine Campet. Welcome to String Virtuoso. Today we are going to talk about Capuzzi Concerto. So this is a lovely concerto that we all play, I think, in the beginning of our learn of double bass. I think it was my first real concerto when I was younger, and it's a really sweet memory because I was really proud actually to play a real concerto for double bass. So, what can we say about this music? It's a classical style. It's similar with Van Hal concerto that we will play later, or Dietersdorf concerto. That is a kind of preparation of this concerto. But this concerto, actually, Capuzzi existed in a three tonality, in F, in D, and in C. So now we will see the version in F, but we have a lot of possibilities to play this music in each stage of our learning. So that is really nice. An important thing of this music is to do general phrasing natural, with a lot of ideas, with a lot of variations. It makes the music alive, and for example, if I play the first phrase, I have to have a feeling before to play about the general spirit of this phrase and what is the story. For example, when I play that, I have already something really open and large, and maybe it reminds me the Van Hal concerto, like this. It's similar in the style, in the spirit. So we have that, which is this crochet. It is really white, and it has a direction. We do the dominant and the tonic. And after we have this rhythm, who can be a kind of rhythm dynamic, with rhythm who helps us to keep moving. This note is really important because it determines all the character. So you have to be really dynamic and really alive, and not to play too long or too slow with the bow like this, because it's heavier and there are less direction. We have to find really the note. Cool. The second note. So you have to put an attack, and after to let the resonance. And the F is the resultant of the C. And just do several times like this. Just the two notes to find the good speed. And try some different things to find the good rhythm. So, this phrase, it's really open. really with confidence, with it's sure, it's proud. And after we have this could be, for example, a more afraid. It could be the little voice inside who say when you are sure about something, or you go to do a concert, for example, and you are sure about you and yourself, and you think, okay, it will be fine, I'm ready, okay. But there is a little voice who say, are you sure you are really okay? Are you sure? Because last time when you practiced, it wasn't really good. And so this little voice is that. And you're self-confident. Your self-confident win at the end. So it can be an example of story you can imagine on this beginning. So after you have so that is two similar motifs and with the repeats. So that is exactly the same thing. So we have to find something to vary it. It can be many things actually. Like for example, if I do the end of the phrase before. Or it can be the inversion. Forte the first time. An echo here. And you can also vary it with the bowings, like this, for example. So like there I do. You can try many things and yeah, do something funny.